So I have to feel
You can't
the
be
love.
going, these children, and make, no, you can't do that.
We have to go in, these lovely children of mine.
Yes.
Oh, good.
So I'm now adding some grated coconut.
Sure. Arlene and I are back in the kitchen, and today's how-to is all about cassava pone featuring CGA's Marigold Margarine. So let's get baking. So Arlene, again with the sweet stuff. And I know you are the sweet master. You're just the kitchen master in general. Yes. So talk me through this cassava pone.
Okay, so first let me say this is my grandmother's recipe.
Shout out to Granny.
She didn't write it down on a piece of paper. I had to kind of make some and see how it tastes. But this is the closest version.
Okay, so we're
like
trying
things
to
that just I happened to see her put in the bowl and pass in, that kind of thing.
No problem.
This is a very important recipe, very close to my heart.
Then we will do it justice.
All right, so first we're getting some milk, some evaporated milk and brown sugar into this bowl.
All right.
And you want to mix this until it's kind of fluffy and smooth.
Okay.
Right, so you just give it a little.
Sure, I can help you. Look at
Kind of until the sugar is dissolved. And so this may take a while. If you have a hand mixer, you can use a hand mixer and get it done.
How long is a while, my dear?
Until the sugar melts.
We're looking at a little 5 minutes here.
About that.
All right.
By hand, yes.
All right, I'll keep going.
Looking good, looking good.
So this is where we are?
Yes, nice and creamy, and you're not seeing any sugar grains.
Yeah,
So to this, I'm going to add a little bit of butter, and you'll just mix that in.
Sure.
Go ahead. Just a little bit of butter.
A little thing. And of course, this is our marigold.
Yes.
Got it.
So butter. Right, so once the butter is mixed in, and it's always room temperature butter as well. You don't want to put a piece of cold butter in there, then it'll be whisking forever. Yes. So let's switch tools.
Sure. Let me get rid of this guy.
Yes. Go on to this.
All right.
And so now I will pour and you will mix.
Okay, I'm the mixer. No problem.
So we're doing some cassava.
Well, I mean, we have to have cassava in the cassava pone.
Star of the dish. And you're just kind of doing a nice, gentle fold and mix.
Sure.
It's important to be in a good mood when you make this.
A happy,
You can't be
mood.
angry, not make an angry pour, then it will come out hard. Right?
So I have to feel
You can't be
the love.
going, these children, and make, no, you can't do that.
We have to go in, these lovely children of mine.
Yes.
Oh, good.
So I'm now adding some grated coconut.
Sure. Flavor on flavor on flavor already.
Right. So if you notice that there's not a lot of liquid, sometimes if you use frozen cassava, today we use fresh cassava. Sometimes if you use the frozen cassava, which is okay, you get a little liquid in there.
Okay.
Once you process the cassava from frozen, make sure that you squeeze out all of the liquid.
Okay.
And the same goes for the pumpkin, which I'm going to add now.
Right.
And this gives a nice color as well. I know you like colors.
I love colors. Vibrant food is the best kind of food.
So sometimes, again, when you grate or you process the pumpkin, you get a little liquid coming out of it.
Yeah.
You don't want that liquid.
Okay.
Because then it will make wet pone, and we don't want
We
that
don't want
either.
that. We don't want that.
All right.
This is loving, happy pone.
All right, so we're adding a little vanilla essence here.
Sure.
All right, a little bit of ginger.
Okay.
All these are good flavor notes for this particular recipe.
Immediately as you add the ginger, you get that lovely bright ginger smell.
Yes, and I will always recommend fresh ginger for this, or just fresh ingredients altogether, not powdered ginger.
Yeah, we're not using the powdered ginger.
Yeah, I mean, if you don't have a choice, then, a little baking powder.
Okay.
Right.
To make sure the pone is completely flattened.
Yes, and this is cinnamon and nutmeg.
I'm excited for this pone already.
So, Kez, you see that you're mixing and you're not seeing anything swimming. It's a very nice, moist kind of mix. That means you're going good.
I'm going good. I'm going good.
Right, so I'm just going to do a pinch of salt for flavor.
Sure.
And a little bit of black pepper.
A little bit of Why? Wait. We're making a dessert here. Clarify for me, why black pepper? I get the salt, but not the black pepper.
The black pepper is important to enhance some of the flavors, and it's also supposed to give you the little...
the little what? The little kick in the back of the throat. Okay. So for a little kick in the back of the throat, little black pepper.
A little black pepper.
And this is the way that grandma makes it. So this is the way that we're doing it.
Yes. So these are just some little minced raisins. And this is optional. You don't have to put raisins if you don't want to.
All right. So some character in our food. Got it.
Take off this little.
Thank you. Because we don't waste.
No, we don't want to miss any parts.
We scrape, we take everything, we fold.
Right, so in terms of the liquid content, if you look into the bowl, when you pull from the side, there's nothing running loose or anything like that. It's a nice moist mixture.
We're all good, yeah.
Right, good quality butter, good quality ingredients.
Well mixed?
Yes, well mixed.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
And the mixing will determine the taste.
Okay. So this is going to be the best food you ever taste.
Yes.
Next to your granny. Next to your granny's.
Very close.
All right.
So next we get our dish that we buttered.
And we used our marigold.
Yes.
Because why not? Dual purpose.
And with great amounts of confidence, pour the pone into the bowl.
With great amounts of confidence.
Yes, don't be scared of the pour.
All right. Scrape. All in. There we go.
Right. And you just use your spatula and I'll take this.
Thank you. Let me get this guy over
I am
here.
assisting you today.
All right, and we just spread evenly. And that is it.
That's it.
I think this is beautiful already. So how long are we going into the oven for?
This can bake for about 25 minutes on 350.
Okay.
But again, everybody's oven is different when it starts pulling from the side.
Okay, so we have to check on it.
Yes.
Just give it a little peek. All right, so straight to the oven, guys.
Straight to the oven.
This. Usually I wait.
Usually you do.
You know, I offer you a piece and then we go. But this looks too good to be true. Friend, would you like to share with me or you want your own?
Let's break it. We can.
Sharing is caring. Ooh,
nice
so
and
good.
gooey.
So good. Like it's supposed to be. And I got the bigger half.
You approve?
I approve.
You approve?
So nice and moist.
Yep.
And that's, of course, thanks to our Marigold Margarine. There's a nice little crust on the outside, but it's nice and gooey. So good on the inside. And Saffron, you did it again.
Anytime.
We did it again.
Yes, because you stirred.
Come on, can you taste the love?
I can.
Tell me you can taste the love.
You did the mixing, so you have to get some credit too. Yes.
When you try this recipe, guys, be sure to mix with love, share it with someone you love, and be sure to tell us about it. Until next time, Arlene.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye.